Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State and the Deputy Dennis Idahosa don praise Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the work when he don start to repair the bad parts of the Benin-Sapele-Warri Road. The two leaders, together with the contractors, carry waka go do check for the road wey stretch past 30 kilometers. Dem talk say dem dey happy with the progress of the work so far. The Benin-Sapele-Warri Road na one important road for the people wey dey Edo and Delta State, but some part of the road don bad for many years and e dey cause wahala for the people wey dey use am. Governor Okpebholo and Idahosa no stop to praise the Presido as dem assure the people of Edo State say dem go continue to follow the work and say the Presido go continue to fund the project and go surely finish the road on time.
We've been passing through this road since morning. Our work is going rapidly. You can see the concrete work is going. They are bringing sharp sand, stone dust. A lot of things is happening here. Today, I can boldly say Edo is now Lagos. It's not like before that Edo was not Lagos. When Edo was not Lagos, Edo was not moving. Now Edo is Lagos, Edo is moving. So, kudos to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I am very happy with what I'm saying. And we will continue to come here to monitor the progress of this work. And I know you are capable. By the grace of God, the President will continue to fund this road.
Levant contractors wey dem give the job for section 1 of the road come talk say dem dey focus on the main part of the road to make sure say e dey motorable. Say dem dey use wetin dem dey call continuous concrete rigid pavement to make sure say the road strong and e go last for 50 years.
Engineer Majdi is the project manager of Benin-Sapele-Warri Road, section 1. The condition of the road now we are starting recently because your support. Thank you from the first. And now we have to do at least 2 kilometers per month CRCP. CRCP is continuous concrete rigid pavement. This CRCP is like concrete, it will be solid road. We can say at least 50 years guaranteed. And we are planning now recently to do the critical section on Benin-Sapele Road, Benin-Warri section 1. Most critical section, so we will make this road motorable and easy for people to pass through even rainy season.
The steady funding wey the federal government dey give the Benin-Sapele-Warri Road project show say Tinubu government go favour Edo people. The governor and the deputy dey show say dem dey happy with the road work and dem dey promise to dey follow up on the progress well. The contractors dey do their best and the federal government dey support the project. That's na good news for Edo people as the road go soon better pass before. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.